Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving right into how to use Monday.com to track certifications. This is your complete 2025 guide, so let's get started. The first thing you want to do is, of course, log into your Monday.com account. This is where all your project and team management magic happens. Tracking certifications here is essential for keeping your team's skill sets up to date and ensuring everyone is on the same page. Now that we're logged in, let's head over to the left-hand sidebar and click on New. Then select Board from the drop-down menu. A board is where you'll organize and track your certifications. Think of it as your command center for all things certification related. The reason we do this is to create a dedicated space for tracking certifications. It allows for better oversight and ensures no certification goes unnoticed or expires without your knowledge. Now, name your board something like Team Certifications and click on Create. Next up, we're going to add columns to our board. Think of these columns as categories or buckets where you'll store specific information about each certification. For example, you could have columns for certification name, issued date, expiry date, and certified team member. This helps us because it allows us to see at a glance who holds which certification and when it needs to be renewed. To add a column, simply click on the plus add button next to the last column and select the type of column you want to add. Now it's time to populate your board. Click on the plus add button in the first column and type in the details for each certification. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. As you add each certification, Monday.com is creating a comprehensive, easy-to-view database of your team's certifications. The reason we do this is to have all our certification information in one place. It's easy to lose track of who's certified in what and when they need to renew. But with this board, you have all that information at your fingertips. Now, let me explain why this matters. Certifications are a crucial part of many industries. They show that your team is competent, up-to-date, and trustworthy. By tracking them on Monday.com, you're ensuring that you never miss a renewal deadline or let a certification lapse. And that's it. You're all set up to track certifications on Monday.com. By following these steps, you'll have a clear, organized view of your team's certifications right at your fingertips. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next one. Now go forth and organize.